Hi everyone, so this is a video on how to complete your profile on gigafro.com. So after creating an account, I'm going to sign in to complete my profile settings. So I'll be using a demo account. Sign in. So here, this is your dashboard on Gigafro. Then you want to go to your profile, use this menu option. Then you go to your profile. Yes, you see this is our profile page, as you can see. So we want this to be up to like 75%, so we can start showcasing our service on the platform. So very quickly we'll dive into it to make this very short. So we are going to upload a display image. So this can be a picture of yourself preferably, or your logo. So I'm going to use a picture of myself that looks a professional picture. Then your name, your email, then your date of birth. Let's put this phone number, gender, male. Then you can add, you can also upload your logo here, or some of your work there also. Then you update. Yeah, that's looking good already. So you can decide to see the public view. This is what we have. So let's quickly fill out other things. A language. For this tutorial, I'm going to use English. English. Then can add Spanish, and you can add other languages. So that's that. Can update that. Then furthermore, you can add your social media link. I won't be adding that in this video. Then your designation, you can, for this case I'll be using web design. Developer. My hourly rate, I charge 10,000 per hour. Then about me, I've copied that. Let me just go through that. So hi, I'm a web developer who loves turning idea into beautiful, blah blah blah. So that's that. You upload that. Then we can update our address. Let's choose Nigeria. Select the states. And select the city. And you can add your postal code. Then you can just fill out your address. You can go ahead and save that. Now we have completed 25% of our profile. Then we add our education background, add your degree. Let's see, BTech, institution, University of Technology, your start date, say 2017, set, then the end date, see, yeah, says that, then submit that. Yes, and that's 50% already. So yeah, then your certification, you can add some certification. So be like, okay, I have a certificate from certificate name, can just say certificate of attendance, can write the institution, but I'll use Udemy. Start date and the end date, set that and submit that. Okay, there's an error. Okay, I think I started the same day. Check the date, start date. Okay. Yes, that's the solution to that. Yes, now we are at 75% already. So yeah, that's how you can now complete your profile to 75%. So yeah, in another video I'll be teaching you how to how you can start listing your services on Gigafro. So yeah, that will be all for this tutorial.